From the air, a mangrove forest looks as if nature has created an impenetrable thick green wall. Mangrove forests are populated by many species of mangroves growing close to each other, making the area densely packed. Research studies have shown that mangroves are one of the most carbon-rich forests in the tropics. Mangroves are able to store 3 to 5 times more carbon than other trees. As coastal habitats, the mangrove forests account for 14% of carbon sequestration by the global ocean. In an era when our planet is plunging into a climate crisis, the carbon sequestration abilities of these mangroves offer hope. Mangroves arrest storm surge and protect the people living nearby. The mangrove forests protect the coastline from erosion. Mangroves have morphological adaptations in the roots to cope with the soft and oxygen-poor mud. The roots of mangroves help in breathing in soils deficient of oxygen. Some mangroves have prop roots which emerge from the trunk and branches, creating a stable support system. Some other mangroves have stilt roots, which remain out of water in between the tides and help in breathing in the mostly anaerobic mud. The increased base due to stilt roots can also help balance the tree in the unstable soft mud. The mangrove roots also gradually trap fine suspended particles in water. This results in accumulation of sediment and formation of mudflats. In mangrove forests, on an average, there is soil accretion of 5 mm per year. In a country like India, with 1.4 billion plus people fighting for every square inch of land, this is good news. In the beautiful and diverse landscapes of India, mangroves stand as silent guardians of the coastline. These unique ecosystems are scenic marvels as well as vital lifelines for both the environment and local communities.